In today's video, we're going to have a look at how you can make money from video games, and this includes playing video games, and I'm also going to share with you some other methods that you can use. So if you're particularly interested in playing video games or you like them, then there's going to be something in this video for you to start making money online. So before we jump into today's video, let's go and announce a winner for the course giveaway. So if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. Every day we do a giveaway for one of my courses. This week we're still doing a giveaway for this one here, which is my iPassive course. So if you want to go ahead and win this or be in with a chance to win this, really simple, comment down below and give the video a like or a dislike, and then you'll be in tomorrow's draw basically. So let's just paste our URL in for yesterday's video and we'll click on get YouTube comments. Let's see how many comments we had yesterday. So yesterday we had 51 unique commenters. Let's go ahead and get a winner. Good luck to everyone. And today's lucky winner is Jeffrey Nagiza. Well done, Jeffrey. Really simple. Go over to Facebook, search for Not Taught at School, and simply come ahead and drop me a message, and I'll send you a link over to the iPassive course. So again, if you want to win this, really simple. Just like or dislike the video and then comment down below. So let's jump into this video now, and I'll show you these different methods that you can start using to profit from video games. And there's a number of ways that we'll do this, and we'll start with some of the more tricky stuff and then we'll work our way down. So make sure you watch the video till the end, because the last few methods I'm going to share with you are ridiculously easy. So let's start right at the beginning. So the first website I've got to show you here is called playerup.com. So how it works over on this website here is you can actually buy and sell accounts over on popular video games, and you can go through and have a look at these. There's the main marketplaces here, so you can see we've got Call of Duty, Black Ops. I'm guessing that's a really popular one. We've got Castle Clash. Well, I'm sure as well, when I was looking on this earlier, we've got FIFA accounts and many more on here. So there's two different ways that you could profit with this one here. So you could go ahead and sell your main account on any of these games here if you're no longer interested in playing on them. The other way that you could actually make money with this is you could go ahead and buy one of these accounts and build it up and then flip it for a quick profit. Now, a classic example of this is my son. He loves Clash of Clans, and well, he did love it, and now he's stopped playing on that. Well, he could go ahead and sell that account over on this platform here and make money for doing so. Why will people pay you money? Because it's the fast track, isn't it? It's the easy option. Lots of people want to, fast track things and get a jump on everyone. Well, they've got money, then they're willing to pay to do so. And as you can see on here, over on this main marketplace here, there's absolutely hundreds of these. These are up at the top here. We've got Fortnite. You can see buy and trade. But let's just go ahead and have a look at a couple of these and how much you can expect to pay for them, because the amounts vary drastically from little to quite a lot, really. So you can go in and have a look at any of these. So look, leveling accounts, buy or sell. You've got these wraps here and other bits. I won't pretend I know what wraps means because I don't have a bloody clue. But in terms of buying and trading these accounts, look, you can go in here, look. This one here, price $45. You've got one here for $1. Look at this, $700. So you can go in platforms like this and you can buy and sell accounts. You can sell your existing account if you're no longer interested in this, or you can buy an account, build it up, and then flip it. Okay, so that is the first website. It's called PlayerUp. There are many more of these websites. This over here is another one, and this is called leagueoftrading.com. Again, works in exactly the same way. You can buy accounts on here from trusted partners, and you can also sell. And if you scroll down the page here, on the left hand side you've got the most popular games, and then in the middle you can see these are all the different things. I mean, look at this, selling my Steam account for a third of its value. So someone's selling an account here for $2,000 for a third of the value. But come down here, you can see there's many more of these available on here. But I mean, look at this, $3,000, 160, 299. So you can go through and have a look at these. So let's just look at Clash of Clans, see how much some of these are selling for. Engineered Thrill, $60. This one here, $50, $50, and this one down here is $159. So these are a couple of websites that you can use if you want to monetize from your existing account. Or the method I would go with this, if I was into playing video games, is I would buy some of these accounts on here, some of these different accounts on different games. I'd play them, or I'd probably outsource it and pay someone to play them, build those accounts up, and then flip them and basically make the difference between what I bought it for and what I flipped it for. So these are two different sites you can use. We've got League of Trading and we've also got PlayerUp.com. And don't worry, I'll drop links to everything below for you. The next one is a website over here, and this is called Second Life. And this here, it's quite bizarre in the sense of it's been around for a number of years, but the money that you can earn over on this is just incredible. So how it works is basically people create a complete life or a virtual life online, basically. So it's when I first come across this, I didn't really understand this, and I still don't to a degree. But from doing a bit of research on this, what it was saying is, people fed up with their lives and everything, they want to go and create an online world where, they're popular, or, they've got hair, or all these different things. They can come on here and create an account on here and live a second life online, basically. So, I mean, look at this, Explore Second Life Entertainment. It's just a whole of, it's literally a second life that you can have online. So on here, how can you make money from this? Well, over on here, they have got this platform here, which is called Second Life. And again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. But you can make money on here in a number of ways. And it focuses around this thing here called Linden Dollars. So within Second Life, their currency, if you like, is called Linden Dollars. And then you can change those Linden Dollars for proper US dollars, basically. But how do you make money with this? Well, look at this, okay? You can buy Linden Dollars first of all, but you can play, so what's this? You can earn Linden Dollars by playing games. You can get a job. I don't know what that means. You can buy and sell land. You can create and sell content on here. You can refer people into this. You can host and perform at events. And you can sell information, prizes, surveys, and lots more on this. And again, look, I don't know the absolute everything that's included in this. All I know is that this is a potential to earn money. And when I was doing some research for this, I came across this article over here. This is on the PC Games. And look at this here, PC Games earn $3 grand a week in sex beds, a story of a Second Life furniture magnet mount. If we come down here, I read this article earlier, but basically what happened was this person over here, he went ahead and created an account on here, and he started basically creating like furniture and other bits on here. And let me just show you how much he was earning. So if I scroll down here, where is it? So this is the important part to not look here. And it took him precisely 1 year to reach a maximum shop size and make $3,000 in savings. So it took him a year to earn $3 grand. But look at this. After that, every week I started doing $3,000 a week from creating these online, virtual online furnitures and furniture stores and other bits, and he was earning $3,000 a week. And then he's also gone on here and he's started to build a team around him, basically. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this, because it's really interesting stuff and how he scaled his business up so quick within a year. Now you see on here, so this is a better summary of this Second Life than what I give you here. Second Life is full of people who are frustrated with life. There are lots of old people on there. Well, I should get myself on there then. There are lots of old people on here, people who've lost their wives. They just want a friend to have company. If you're a shy person and you have problems, it's very easy to hide behind an avatar. I think this is what it's all geared around. So even though you're clumsy in real life, on Second Life, you can be a star, you can buy an animation, you can dance really well, buy cool hair, you're not bought, etc, etc. So it's creating this, virtual life, basically. So this, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. There's some really good points in here, some really good tips, and, earning $3,000 a week from creating virtual online furniture, essentially, it might be for you. So it's called, that website that I was looking at there, it is called secondlife.com. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at that. Again, there's a link down below to that, and I'll also drop a link to this article here for you. So we're going to move on to this one here. So this is, I'll drop a link to that below for you. The next couple of ways are really simple ways. So the first one is this one over here. And I said to you, they'll get easier as we go along. So you have websites like Swagbooks, like Rapid Points, like InstaGC, and many more. And how they all work is they will pay you to go ahead and basically download apps or play video games. So this is over on my Swagbucks account. You can see on here, install mobile apps and earn money. Really simple. Install these apps on your phone and you earn money. Over on this platform here, they're called Swagbucks. So they give you these Swagbucks and then you convert them into PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, and lots more different things. So you can do sites like Swagbucks, there's InstaGC, there is Rapid Point, and there's lots more of these. Just go on Google and type install apps and earn money. You'll get loads of these. Will you earn lots of money with this method here? No, you won't. But you'll earn money for going ahead and downloading some of these really simple games. But overall, that's today's video. That's just a few methods that you can use to make money from playing video games. Now, there is the traditional thing what people would say to you, like, go ahead and start streaming your content on YouTube and Twitch, and you can do all that sort of stuff as well. But when you're first starting out, these may be some better options for you to go ahead and try, you know, this Second Life here, or this League of Trading, or even this Fortnite one. But either way, if you're interested in earning money from video games, that's a few different options for you. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give the video a like, leave your comments down below, and then you'll be in with a chance of winning a course for tomorrow. So good luck, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.